All right, today I'm going to change out my front struts. I've already done it once in the last, I don't know, 6 months or so. Anyway, they work great. They're KYB Strut Plus, except the strut mount is squeaking occasionally, so I got another pair. I had to buy the new pair out of pocket, but when I take, and I got a receipt for that, I mean, I got a receipt for all my parts. So I'm gonna take the new ones, which are the same part numbers as the ones I'm taking out, and hopefully they don't squeak at the strut mount, but I'm taking them out today, and then I will bring the old ones back to AutoZone, which is where I bought these at, and then they will refund my money that I spent buying the two other ones of the ones that I'm putting in today. So anyway, this is fairly straightforward. I've done it, I can say that because I've done it before, but there's 10 connections I have to disconnect, or bolts, whatever you want to call them, fasteners, whatever. I mean, most of them are bolts. So anyway, I'm going to start with the sway bar end link connection right there. The nut is 15 millimeter, and on the back there is a backup nut on the back of that thing. You can't see it, but that's 18 millimeter. There are 18 millimeter flats on the back behind that mount point that hold the bolt stationary while I'm going to be undoing that. I think I'm going to use an impact wrench and not that 15 millimeter flex head. So there's that. And then there's these two bolts right here that hold the brake line and the wheel speed sensor cable. Take that, disconnect that. Then there are the two connections here. You can see those right here. There's one. It's the actual knuckle to strut connections right there. Those have to come out. And then I think I might have damaged one of my wheel speed sensors the last time I changed these things, because I forgot to, well, anyway, this is just like a captive holding point. It's like a little plastic thing that goes into a hole there. I'm going to pry that out. And then down below here, there's where the wheel speed sensor, I don't know if it's visible there, where it actually connects goes into the knuckle. There's a bolt that holds that in. I'm going to take that apart and make sure the wheel speed sensor is free. So, like I said, the last time I changed this, I took everything apart, and when the knuckle flipped over, it put tension on the wheel speed sensor cable. So I'm not going to take any chance this time. I'm going to take that wheel speed sensor cable out of the knuckle and have it free, so I can't risk damaging it. And I think this one, wheel speed sensor, is damaged because of what I did before, what I just described there. So then top side, there is going to be, of course, the 3 bolts that hold the strut in place, and then the strut comes out. So it's fairly straightforward.